Yeah, the high employment rate. You see, it also kind of ties into the same question. You were talking about for the youths. When there's no employment, people obviously that's when they'll find time to do these things. If somebody, let's say, has a full-time job and says, okay, I have to work from Monday to Friday or Monday to Saturday, whatever the case is, I have to be away from 9 to 5. Where are you going to? If you know, okay, I have a job to do, I have a boss to report to, where are you going to have the time to go to the streets and start fighting people for political reasons? So it's also a product of the environment that's happening in Zimbabwe. But as far as unemployment, obviously it's a huge issue right now. Hopefully, economy will get better. We don't want a repeat of things that happened like 2008 and before. Hopefully the economy will move forward so that there'll be a high employment rate in Zimbabwe once again, where people can afford to get jobs without having to migrate to other countries and so forth.